Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Ford Focus timing belt. This is a crucial maintenance task that ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Before we begin, make sure you have all your tools ready, including a new timing belt, tensioner, and any necessary seals. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and properly supporting your vehicle on jack stands. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother. Now, let's start by gaining access to the timing belt. First, you will need to remove the accessory drive belt and its tensioner. Next, carefully unbolt the engine mount on the passenger side, making sure to support the engine from underneath with a jack and a block of wood. Finally, remove the crankshaft pulley and then the upper and lower timing belt covers to fully expose the old timing belt. Take your time with each step. This next step is absolutely critical for engine operation. You need to carefully rotate the crankshaft clockwise until all the engine's timing marks are perfectly aligned. This typically involves aligning marks on the camshaft sprocket with a reference point on the cylinder head and a mark on the crankshaft sprocket with a point on the engine block. Using a timing pin or a dedicated locking tool will help ensure precise alignment, preventing any future engine issues. Double-check these alignments. With the timing marks aligned, you can now install the new timing belt. Make sure it is routed correctly around all the pulleys and that the new tensioner is properly adjusted to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 25 Newton meters. Once the belt is in place, reassemble all the components you removed earlier, working in reverse order. Finally, perform a comprehensive check of all connections and clearances before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.